student, how are you? I hope that you all are fine and well. Today I am going to discuss about the sample paper of the 2021 and their marking scheme. So see here, year is a 2020-21, class is a 10th, subject is a science theories, and subject code is a 086. Time will be allotted 3 hours and maximum marks will be 80. Now here the general instruction given. Your whole section question divided into 4 sections, that is A, B, C and the D. See here the section A instruction given, section B instruction here given, and for C given, for D given. So you read all instruction very carefully 2 to 3 times. And now see here in this table, marks is allotted here and question number is here and section is given at the center. So you listen very carefully, and some question having the choice like this. So you have to solve either this problem or this problem, not the both problem. So you hear the C question paper 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Some question here given based on the diagram, and some. So you whenever you draw the diagram, you must label the diagram, otherwise you can't get the marks. And see here the some question given based on the assertion and the reason. So here is also given the choice. So you solve either this problem or this problem. And in question 16 there is no choice has given. So you listen here very carefully. Then question number 70 to 20 here is a given. Now you read very carefully, and this is the based on the graph. So you see here 2 graph is given here, and related to that graph there is a table given. You read and thereafter you write the answer, and before writing the answer, marking scheme you also see. At the last of this PDF notes, I'll explain you about the marking scheme. So see here some question further divided into the sub question. This is also based on the diagram. Now see, and thereafter after the reading the whole instruction, you read all question paper very carefully. Then you have to be started to the writing of the your paper in your notebook. And see here some table based question here is given, and now see this is the section D. This is a physics question given here, and see here some questions and their marking scheme given here. This is the marking scheme, you see here very carefully. So question 1 is given in your this simple paper. Their answer you have to write like this. So you read very carefully to the all question and their answer. The marking scheme is started from here. So you read very carefully all the marking scheme and the question paper, because of if you know everything before going in the your board exam or in exam hall, if your concept is clear, then you will not face the problem. So I am instructing or suggesting you that you must read all the question very carefully, and thereafter the marking scheme also. I hope that this simple paper and the marking scheme will help you a lot for your examination. So please you read and follow the all instruction given in this paper. Thank you.